Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to give you a quick review of water demand forecasting AI built by Python in machine learning. So if you are new to the channel, I upload everything related about tech and the digital world, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to support me. Now let's get into the main topic. This is water demand forecasting AI, which forecasts unrequired water for a specific area. This is the main page, and this is the waters page, and on the main the AI will ask you some sort of questions. Then when you insert all of them, then submit, it will predict the water amount required for that area. For example, let's enter the year 2023 and the month, let's say 5, the day 12, the location California, population let's say 5,000, and the historical demand 4,000 cubic meters, and let's say it's summer. Then when we click the submit button, then it will predict the value and tell us the water required, the water amount required for the area, which is 10,100, 3,898. So this what's the water demand forecasting will do, and also provided the GitHub link in the description below, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.